In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use PartnerStack's affiliate dashboard for insights, so you can start optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts right away. If you're new to PartnerStack and want to make the most of the data at your fingertips, stick around. I'm going to walk you through how to use this dashboard to understand performance, track conversions, and improve your affiliate strategy. First off, let's start with the most basic feature of the PartnerStack affiliate dashboard, your overview page. This is where you'll find a snapshot of your total earnings, performance stats, and how you're doing with referrals. At a glance, you can see how much you've earned this week, this month, or even all time. This is a great place to check in regularly to gauge the health of your affiliate business. Next, let's dive into the Factose Performance tab, Nokas. This is where you can see all the metrics that really matter to affiliates. You'll get detailed breakdowns of clicks, conversions, and commission rates. By using these insights, you can track which campaigns are performing best and where you need to improve. Are your emails or social media posts bringing in traffic? Are people converting once they click through to your offers? This data will tell you exactly that. Another powerful feature you'll want to explore is referral tracking. PartnerStack lets you track every single referral you send. You can see how many users clicked your referral link, how many converted, and the exact commissions you earned from those conversions. This level of granularity is key in understanding where your efforts are paying off, so you can double down on the tactics that are working and tweak the ones that aren't. Custom reports are also a game changer. You can generate reports based on specific timeframes or campaigns. These reports can help you spot trends in your affiliate marketing performance. Maybe you'll notice a spike in conversions during a specific month or after a certain promotion. With custom reports, you can better plan future campaigns, ensuring they are just as effective, if not more so. Let's not forget the Pakify Partner Network tab. PartnerStack allows you to view the network of affiliates you're working with. This is a great resource for affiliates who want to collaborate or learn from others in the same space. It's a fantastic way to stay updated on industry best practices and get insights into how others are succeeding on the platform. Now, if you want to get even more advanced, you can use PartnerStack's integration features. The dashboard lets you integrate with tools like Google Analytics, Stripe, and others to get even deeper insights into your affiliate activity. This means you can pull in data from various sources to get a 360-degree view of how your affiliate business is performing. As you can see, PartnerStack's affiliate dashboard isn't just a simple tool for tracking earnings. It's a full-fledged platform that provides you with the data you need to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. From tracking referrals and conversions to generating custom reports and leveraging integrations, there's a lot you can do with it. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using PartnerStack for completely free from the first link in the description below, and there's an exclusive bonus waiting for you. This means you can get all these insights and much more without spending a dime, and you'll have the chance to test out everything this software has to offer. So, to recap, PartnerStack's affiliate dashboard is an invaluable tool for anyone serious about affiliate marketing. By using it effectively, you'll be able to track conversions, analyze your performance, and use data-driven insights to maximize your earnings. Make sure to check out the link below to get started with your free trial, and don't miss out on the bonuses we've got for you. Happy affiliate marketing?